So next up, with the use of the Iron Hell torch, we're going to whip this bonnet off because I may have a buyer for that. So we don't do any more damage to it. I'm going to whip the bonnet off and put that round the back safe, and then drag it just to about there. So it should be some good dragging.
Oh God, I can't see.
Bonnet off. Hopefully I get to sell that and make some money back. That'd be lovely to have some cash back in the pocket. Now I'm going to put this thing to the test. I'm going to get an old strap and I'm just going to yank it because we need it to be about there. Let's see how this goes. This could be terrible. No, I'm going to hook it through the through there.
Oh, strut tower.
Through the strut tower, man. You're blinding me. I hate it.
That's a really cool knot you've got going.
Do it up.
Mate, that is not gonna hold.
It will. I don't know how to do knots. I never went to sailor club. That is tight.
Okay. Wonders why it's always broke. Coming, keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. Whoa! Go on, laddie.
Right, stand back.
Give her a tug, lad.
This has gone back to get serious.
Y'all ready to see this?
Jesus Christ. Well, you moved it too far, that's for sure.
That is what you call precision. Precision? Precision? Precision, what's the word?
Precision.
Parking. We've got to get the most important tool of the day. You wait there. You wait there. I'll get it.
Oh, God.
You wait there. So, the tool I am now going to use is the Iron Hell cordless grinder. I'm going to cut Peck's foot off with it once I get 1,000 likes on a video again.
Cool.
Smells so good.
You're so weird.
I almost forgot. I need my torch too by Iron Hell, the best company in the world. That's not a little angry. To do this safely, you have to wear some £1 glasses that are going to keep my eyes safe, but you do not give your cameraman one. If he does explode and he gets hurt, we can get it on camera and use it as a clickbait title that Peck's lost his eye. Also, I don't really know what I'm doing here. I've never cut up a car before. I probably should have took this.
All I'm going to say is you're cutting really, really close to the fuel tank. I mean,
I only want to go through here, innit?
Okay, that's what. Oh.
I'm going through here. I'm going to cut like.
Oh, okay. Come in. Hurry up! Just hurry up!
I haven't taken any of this. I'm not prepared at all. Do this properly so I can get at it properly. Woo! That's going through that with ease, my boy. Iron Hell. Yeah! So, this is because this has got a cool little hangy thing on it. Look, I'm going to hang it somewhere.
Cool.
I got stuck on the torch.
I mean,
I love cutting things. That's some neat cutting, boy.
it is actually pretty good. What? So are you gonna cut down and across?
Well, I was gonna kind of go a bit further if I can. I need like, I think I need like all of this bit here.
Really?
So I kind of need to get that side to go off.
Cut it.
I don't know where I'm cutting to, Peck. Oh, turned it off. Do you reckon if we can... Oh, it stinks so bad.
What do you say?
I kind of just want to cut like directly through that whole thing there.
Yeah.
That is awful, stinks. Oh, okay, here we go. Oh, there we go. Oh, where have you gone?
Come here.
Oh, that's done properly now. This will be so much easier in the daylight, man.
Of course it would be.
Luckily, I only need this bit down here.
Whoa! Whoa!
So now I've realised that if you take the interior out, it's way more easy to cut
What's this?
things. Let's just get a screwdriver under that thing. Can't see! Success! Side skirt is now off. It's completely but it's off. Oh, I'm gonna have to beep it all out. Okay, so now, realistically, we need to jack it up so I can cut underneath, I think. What do you reckon?
Just lay down.
Huh?
Lay on the floor, you
Can't get the whole thing under it, you because I need this bit.
Oh.
So annoyingly, we're gonna have to jack this bit of the car up. Grab the light. We're gonna have to jack the car up, take that wheel off, put some wheels underneath it so I can then lay on this wet floor and cut all the way around. But I don't think it's coming out too bad. I don't even need that much of the arch. I literally actually just need like this bit just here, this bit just here. But I thought if I cut loads of it out, then I've got loads of room to play with like bad bits. I hope it's this side I need. Peck, I hope it's this side I need.
There's a tie there for you.
Yeah, I might actually be sick. It smells so bad. Wait, give me some light. You hot. You horrible, horrible person. I was gonna give you an Instagram shout out, but instead go unfollow Peck, follow him, and then say unfollowed on his latest picture. Right, give me some light because this is gonna happen. This is dangerous, but whatever, man. I think let's not even use that tire. Just ridiculous. This is so dangerous, man. I need some light, man. I won't be underneath the car technically, so realistically we're still okay. How much easier this would be if we had a ramp. I'm not moaning, but like...
And daylight. Do Ironhells do ramps?
Nah, unfortunately not. Maybe they can though.
I think they should.
Oh, man, this is actually so difficult. I see why bodywork people get paid so much money now. I regret this.
I'd cut there, personally.
And just cut loads of it out.
Yeah.
I think I'm blind. Oh no, I'm okay. Bother wearing goggles if you're still just gonna get in your eye and it really hurts. Mate, family friendly language.
Kitty. Kitty boy.
We need to make our own words that people know what we're talking about. It'd be awesome if I could see what I was doing. Think that.
Sometimes.
That's not my strong hand.
Do you want to do it?
No, I like doing this. This is awful, but it's fun. I think I need to go bomb, bomb. Are you jealous?
Of what?
Me cutting and you not cutting?
No, not at all.
You are, aren't you? I can taste it.
No.
I can taste the gel.
Well, the last time I used it, the disc exploded, so I don't want to use it.
Oh man, my arm's going numb and it ain't going straight. Peck's been having a look as well because I couldn't get it off, and we're working out there's probably another skin under here, so I'm just going to kind of cut around and around here to give us a hole so we can look. Is that right?
Yeah.
A good thing to do. Okay.
Just watch yourself when you jump up, because you don't want to rip your...
There's that bit of skin in there that needs cut. Cause it's this bit.
Oh no.
No. Me rab coat. No, I love this coat. Stop fingering my coat.
Yes.
Oh, no.
I told you, I said watch out before you jump.
Oh no. Oh, this was £190.
That's why you should wear overalls.
Cold. That's the only reason I'm wearing it.
Oh, that's exactly how Nick did his.
Oh.
Oh, here we go. He's angry.
I'm gutted. I hope you lot appreciate this, man. I'm only redoing the legend because I noticed how much the audience loved it. And I thought it'd be cool world in practice. And I thought no one would get hurt. But we've had our first casualty of the legend now. My rab coat.
I got a bit in my eye just then.
Good.
Hurry up.
Your suffering is nothing that this rab coat just had to go through. Can't believe I've done me rab coat in. Woo! Yes! No! Shut up! Oh. Right, can we go into the daylight for a second, please? Into the light in the garage so I can cry a little bit about my rab coat. I feel like I'm a crip. We know you've got any Gorilla Tape anyway?
Any what?
Like Gorilla Tape or anything?
What for?
We're gonna find some. I can't believe I'm having to cut in again while I'm wearing like a hippie hoodie, and Peck didn't film the whole outro. Like, we had the whole outro filmed where we said everything that had gone on and all that malarkey, but just want to say thank you guys so much for watching. I genuinely like super appreciate all the feedback. I hope you're enjoying the videos. I'm trying to cut down on the swearing, so maybe you can watch it with your kids and stuff, I don't know. But we're just trying to try some different stuff and see if it works on the channel. Were you the lucky winner of these? So if you're the lucky winner of these, you're going to appear on the screen right next to my head. Congratulations, my dude. I want to say thank you so much for entering. We're doing exactly the same again. Once again, keyring and a couple of stickers. Oh, flip that around. There we go. 61 keyring, a couple of 61 stickers in the iridescent silver. Please hit the like button, leave a comment down below, and please be subscribed if you're enjoying the content. That gets you entered. You'll be announced in the next video, so make sure you come back for that. Catch you soon, guys. Thank you very much. Hmm? What?
What do you say?
Bye or something? Follow me on Instagram.
Bye bye bye.
Bye bye bye. Bye bye bye. Thank you for watching, guys.